All right, today's Too Tall Toby CAD challenge is 240405. It is a level 3 part called offset mount. We are working in grams today. It is symmetric front to back. We'll use a sweep and we'll go back and use the slot tool. It's been a minute since we've used that. So let's jump in. We're going to start by extruding on the top plane. And we're going to do the shape that's over on the right-hand side. I'll grab the slot tool from the palette, and that lives in the Shapes tab. And we are given the center-to-center location, so that's the one I'll go with. And we'll rotate it 90 degrees, drag it onto the center, and that looks good. All right, so the center-to-center distance is 60, and the outer radius is 20. We're given a width, so we will do 20 times 2. Okay. While I'm here, I will just go ahead and drop those center holes on and get an equal diameter. And those center holes have a diameter of 15. All right, let's get this extruding the other direction, and we'll give it a depth of 30 from the front view. And Control D, and we're ready to go to the next part. So next we're going to do this shape here. And we'll do that as a sweep. So I'm going to sketch on the front plane. And let's see how we're going to do. We'll start from the center. We're going to come over and then up and over. Oh, I see I grabbed an equal sign. I didn't mean to do that. So we'll find that equal constraint and delete it. Let's see here. The overall dimension is 110. Let's add some fillets in here. So middle click to get out of the dimension tool, and we'll add some fillets here and here. I don't need those to be the same radius, so I'll delete my equal sign again. And let's see here. A couple of other dimensions to add. So the height, let's go with the height. The height is going to be from the top to the bottom is going to be 66 minus 8. Okay. The angle is given as 30. Let's see here. The bottom radius is 25 when we're looking at the top portion and 40. Those are the top radii. The other radii given are for the bottom. And let's see here. This dimension is from that point to the edge of the slot, and that is 6. All right. Actually, this dimension is not the one I want. Let's overpower that. Let's get the what'll essentially be my center-to-center dimension, 111. There we go. All right, that's all the dimensions that we need for our trajectory. We'll click OK and Control D. And just a reminder, in Creo, when we are doing a sweep, we do have to have the trajectory created, but we do not have to have the path created. Okay, there we go. I wanted to switch it, so I'm starting inside the right side block, and we'll click Sketch to create our cross section. Okay. I'll use the center rectangle. Okay. And it's going to have a width of 30 as shown in the top view and a depth of 15 as shown in the front view. Okay, there's our 15 and our 30. And we can finish that sketch, and it follows the path, and that looks great. Next, I'm going to sketch on the bottom here and extrude just a circle. I'm not going to add the hole to this one because I can't remove material and add it, so we'll just extrude up And that depth is going to be the 15 from the sweep plus the 8 elevation above the sweep. And we'll add a hole to that. Hover over the outside to get that center to pop up. Give it a diameter of 18. And we're going to flip that. Make sure it's remove all. That's good. And we'll pick the 2 next. So we don't have to worry about the diameter, or the depth. We're going to do pretty much the same thing. We're going to extrude on this shape size. Add a circle to the top hole. Add a circle to the bottom hole. And those will have a diameter of 25. All right, let's flip it. Let's remove, and the depth is just 4. Okay. All right, Control D. Looks really good here. Flip it over to the back side. I don't see any issues. Let's drag our mass properties and try 1136. Awesome. Okay. So that was a level 3, not too bad. This sweep tool maybe has been a minute. Just another thing that is new for me. In Creo 12, they added an option that you can hide or show tangent edges. I may have turned that off in my settings. Let's see here. Oh, there they are. So normally tangent edges would show up solid. There's a new option in Creo 12 that you can turn off display of tangent edges. So I like that. It's a lot cleaner looking. I do want to hide that particular sketch. And then this icon I've added to my quick access toolbar is save status, so that sketch won't show up next time. That is available under view, and under the visibility there's the option to save status is lives there. I use it quite frequently, so I've added it to my quick access toolbar. Hope that helps. See you again soon.